Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use hidden features on Tinder. I will log into my Tinder account and move in my profile icon which is right bottom, just tap it. So after again you will may move in the top right corner of gear icon. So when Tinder incognito mode is activated, your profile is hidden but you can still swipe right or left. In other users, whenever you swipe right or someone you're interested in your profile will then appear in their card stack. In other words, only the people you like see your profile. So if you want to use this hidden feature, you may subscribe this Tinder Plus. So for 1 week is for $8, and here is the features. After subscription you got these hidden features: unlimited likes, unlimited rewinds, unlimited passport mode, and you will see all the. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.